All right, so today worked on the outhouse. My dad came up here to help, and so did the other proprietor of Base Camp Outdoors, my wife Terry. She was up here too. She was putting together some furniture, but me and Dad were working on the outhouse. And check it out. Check out the outhouse. Looks like a rustic old hillbilly cabin in the woods that you'd take up crap in. So we got the sides up, got the door, the tin, and a big log up top is really heavy. Let me show you. Switch this. All right, so on the sides here, we put all these first cuts all the way down to the bottom of the frame. I'm gonna put a clear plastic roof on top, and I'm put clear sides on there. It's the first cut here. These are fence slats, right, for the door. We got both sides done here, this side and the other side. And then I got the door so it opens, but I did not get the back done, didn't have time. So I'll do the back. I think I'm just gonna use these fence slats for the back because I have some right there, and I'll probably have enough, and then I'm gonna use the fence slats to make the top for this that'll fold up so you can put the bucket down in there, and I'll put them on the front here too, just to keep that closed, you know, so it doesn't stink a whole lot, and so, you know, critters and things can get in there. I'm gonna have to get foam, and I'm gonna put foam in all of these gaps. I'm gonna fill all these gaps up, and I think I'm actually gonna put a piece of plywood here. I like the look of it, but I just want it to be a little bit more enclosed, you know, so we don't have critters running around here, even though we're outside in the woods. But yeah, so this is the door here from the inside. There'll be a bucket underneath there with composting, and it closes. You have to kind of push it closed, but that's okay. And I think I'll get a sign that says outhouse up there, like maybe wood cutouts in white wash with patina, so they look cool. But yeah, that's all we got done today. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it took a while to do this, and there was another rainstorm like in the middle of the day, which we had to wait about an hour and a half, hour-ish. We cut wood underneath the deck there while it was raining, just so we could get some of it done. But yeah, I think it looks cool. I think it looks how I wanted it to look. You know, from the street or from the parking lot up here, this would be the side that you see here walking up to it. So you'll see the outhouse over here, and then over there's the glampsite. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the update.